How to end Shopify free trial. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Open up your Shopify admin. After that, click on the three lines at the top left of the screen. Click on Settings at the bottom. Click on Plan. You will be sent to this page where you'll be able to cancel Shopify plan. From here you need to click on Deactivate Trial. After that, Shopify might ask you for a reason as to why you want to leave, so give them the reason that suits you the most. Then you need to enter your password for confirmation and you'll be done. And that's it. That's how to end Shopify free trial. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.